Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy Wale Aloo. First, gather your ingredients. About 500 grams of potatoes, 2 medium tomatoes, and 1 onion. Peel and cube the potatoes into roughly 1-inch pieces, then set them aside. Next, finely chop your tomatoes and onion. These will form the delicious base of our gravy. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process for a flavorful dish. Now let's build our gravy. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a lovely golden brown, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until fragrant. This step is crucial for developing deep flavors. Next, it's time for the spices. Reduce the heat to low and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Cook these spices for about 30 seconds, then immediately add your chopped tomatoes. Stir well, then incorporate the cubed potatoes and 1 cup of water. Mix everything thoroughly to coat the potatoes evenly. Finally, let's bring it all together. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes. The potatoes should become fork tender and the gravy will thicken beautifully. Once cooked, garnish your delicious gravy Wale Aloo with fresh cilantro. Serve hot with rice or roti for a comforting and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.